All right, welcome back to this channel. So right now I'll be talking about 5 businesses that you can actually start in 2023 that will actually boost your income and help you a whole lot in these 2023. So right now I'll jump in straight into the video for you to actually learn 5 ways to make cool cash for yourself. One of the most popular ways to make money online right now in 2023 is actually starting an e-commerce business. This involves selling products and through platforms such as Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and so on so forth. These platforms provide a ready-made customer base for you, making it easy for you to get your products to potential buyers on the platform. However, it's always important to remember that competition is fierce on this platform. So it's really important for you to actually find out your niche and be perfect in it and differentiate your products from others using your quality. And I don't really need to say much. You know how to actually do your business better for you. Another way to make money online right now is through affiliate marketing. This involves selling a product and earning a commission, through links that people actually buy, and you earn a commission. Literally, affiliate marketing is actually selling other people's products, to get a commission out of it through, just sending them the link. And it's a great way for you to make money online without actually making your own product, but it does require a significant amount of traffic to your website's link, social media accounts for you to actually be successful in it. Another way to make money online is actually through selling of courses on this online space to make cool cash. Great platforms like Udemy, Coursera actually gives you the opportunity to create your to upload your courses and to get a wider range of buyers on these platforms. And these can be a great way for you to share your expertise and earn cool cash for yourself, literally from the course. And it can be a great source of passive income for you, as you can actually be getting sales day in, day out, week in, week out, month in, month out, depending on how effective your course is. Blogging is another way to make money online right now. Bloggers can monetize their blogs through advertising. And first of all, what is blogging? So blogging is literally passing an information through either video form or written form. And as I said earlier, bloggers can monetize their blogs through advertising, and after advertising you can also monetize your blogs through selling of products to your audiences through sponsored posts and affiliate marketing. And it's a great way to build a community around a topic which you're actually passionate and always ready to talk about. But it does require a significant amount of time to build a following and community around you. Online consulting and coaching can also be a very great way to make cool cash, to make money online. This involves providing expertise or guidance to individuals or businesses through virtual means. It is a great way to leverage your skills and expertise, and it can be a lucrative way for you to make money online from home. In conclusion, there are many ways for you to make money on this online space, and it's important for you to find the one that suits you and your interests. Whether you are interested in e-commerce, affiliate marketing, online courses creation, blogging, or online consulting and coaching. In addition, the key to success is being consistent and persistent in your effort. Stay tuned for more insights and tips. Thank you for watching, and peace.